Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for USMLE. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including question types and time limits. Next, develop a comprehensive study plan that allocates sufficient time to each subject, typically over several months. Focus on understanding core concepts rather than rote memorization. This foundational approach will build a strong knowledge base, making your study journey much more manageable and effective. For effective preparation, integrate key resources into your routine. A robust question bank, such as UWorld, is crucial. Aim to complete at least 2,000 questions. Pair this with a comprehensive review book like First Aid, reading relevant sections after practice questions. Additionally, consider video resources like Pathoma for pathology or Sketchy for microbiology and pharmacology to solidify complex topics visually. Active learning is paramount for deep understanding. Instead of passively reading, actively recall information by quizzing yourself or explaining concepts aloud. Incorporate spaced repetition using flashcards or apps to revisit material at increasing intervals, reinforcing memory. After completing practice questions, dedicate significant time to reviewing both correct and incorrect answers, understanding the reasoning behind each choice. This critical step enhances learning significantly. As your exam approaches, take several full-length practice tests under timed conditions to build stamina and identify remaining weaknesses. Dedicate your final weeks to reviewing these challenging areas and consolidating your knowledge. On exam day, prioritize a good night's sleep and a healthy breakfast. Trust your preparation and approach each question thoughtfully. Remember, consistent effort over time leads to success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.